Good afternoon, welcome to my channel. I'm at Sindu Beach next to Sanur Bay. This beach is just take around 15 minutes from Denpasar City and around 30 minutes from Ngurah Rai Airport. This beach is really quiet and the wave is not too big, so you can swim from here. And from this beach you can see the Mount Agung. And then from here you can jogging. There is like a jogging track here. It's really nice beach. It's so relax on the beach. That's the waves. And also in here there is like a fisherman in the middle of the sea. They're just using the small ship. And then a lot of people using bicycle also here. It's really nice. There is like people selling the lumpia, and also in here you can rent the canoe, so you can use like playing the canoe around here. It's a nice beach. The canoe, so you can rent maybe around 50,000. Ombaknya yang
Caca ada toro.
the wave is very
Wow, toro. Ayo kelapa asli.
the people swim at the beach here. Also you can fishing, and at the middle there is, and also like there is a sunbed over there, so you can rent, just pay one and you can get every like full day. And also the cruise line.